Welcome to our tutorial on how to use ChatGPT, the AI chatbot that can converse with you just like a human. This bot is trained with a diverse set of questions and can understand and respond to natural human language. In this tutorial, we'll explain how to get started with ChatGPT. First, visit our website and click on the ChatGPT button. It will take you to the chat window, where you can start talking with the AI bot. Start by typing in a greeting. Welcome to our tutorial on how to use ChatGPT, the AI chatbot that can converse with you just like a human. I'll ask you what topic you want to talk about. You can enter any topic that is related to your query. After that, your query will be processed by the AI and ChatGPT will generate a response relevant to your question. ChatGPT may sometimes ask you for more information to better understand your query. Respond to these prompts to help the bot better understand your needs. You can also ask for more information on a specific topic and ChatGPT will provide a more detailed response. Keep in mind that ChatGPT is an AI chatbot and may not always provide the exact answer to your query. However, it will try its best to provide relevant answers to your questions. If the answer you receive is not satisfactory, you can try rephrasing your query or ask for more details. That's it for our tutorial on how to use ChatGPT. We hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching.